Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you identify the ashwagandha plant. First, observe its general structure. Ashwagandha is a small, woody shrub, usually growing about 1 to 2 feet in height. It has a bushy appearance with numerous branches extending from a central stem. This plant often looks somewhat unassuming, blending into its surroundings, but key features will help you spot it. Pay attention to its size and growth habit as a starting point. Next, examine the leaves and flowers. Ashwagandha leaves are a dull green color, oval-shaped, and can reach up to 4 inches in length. They feel slightly hairy and are arranged alternately along the stem. The flowers are quite small and not very showy. They are greenish-yellow and appear in clusters. These subtle flowers are often hidden among the leaves, so you might need to look closely to find them.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and learning something new, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic read. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now let's look at the fruit and root, which are crucial for identification. Ashwagandha produces small, round berries that turn orange-red when ripe. These berries are encased in a papery, lantern-like calyx, similar to a ground cherry. The root is the most valued part. It is thick, fleshy, and brownish-white, often resembling a small carrot or ginger root. This unique root has a distinct, earthy aroma. Consider the plant's preferred habitat. Ashwagandha typically thrives in dry, rocky, and sandy soils, often found in arid or semi-arid regions. It loves full sun exposure but can also tolerate some partial shade. This resilience allows it to grow in diverse climates, from tropical to subtropical areas. Understanding its natural environment can help you narrow down your search and confirm your identification.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.